Hello. So today I have a interesting question for you. Are you secure in having coverage for yourself and your family? Meaning, are you the most important asset covered? I just had a really unfortunate story come about, and it is a friend of a friend that actually recently passed away from cancer. And so it's very alarming because cancer is becoming more and more pervasive in our society. It is no longer just a genetic thing, but it is disturbingly, alarmingly high in so many people, right? And so many families are not having the coverage. And so, even in a situation where someone attains cancer, it doesn't mean that it has to be a death sentence, right? We first of all have to shift our mindset to a positive mindset. And secondly, we have to give it all to God, right? And then we have to change our lifestyle. But fourthly, if you have the insurance coverage that your family needs, that you need, you can get a portion of that death benefit while you are still alive, while you have that cancer, to be able to help with your monthly expenses or your medications or your experimental drugs that, you know, or even natural treatments, right? And so you want to be able to put these parameters in place because cancer does not have to be a death sentence. And so please, I'm asking you all to really take this seriously and stop delaying the process of getting coverage because this is really, really essential. And this is even just as important for children. They need the coverage. And, some people might feel like, oh, this is kind of strange getting coverage on my child. But the bottom line is you can use that money to send them to college instead of getting a 529. And then if they don't go to college or they get a scholarship or they go to the military, guess what? You don't have to pay those pre-penalty, those taxations from a 529 because you're being penalized for them not going to college, right? You can put now that money that you've saved up for them in their college fund or buy them a car, start their business, pay down on a house. There's so many things that you can openly do with this cash value. And on top of that, children are also getting sick these days. They are also getting cancer, unfortunately. So you can still get a portion of that death benefit for your little one in case. It is always better to be prepared instead of being caught off guard. So I implore you, if you are interested in getting a policy today, please reach out to me below. This is very important, very urgent. And if you are interested in us coming to you to do a seminar, whether that's in person or virtually, we can definitely organize that for you in your organization or your church or your location, wherever that may be, because this is becoming a serious crisis.